Oh, hi, y'all. Welcome back to Texas. Uh, I wanted to, this is mainly for boat owners. I haven't run my center console in a long time, mostly because we hadn't been here. And got up early the other day to go fishing, and boy, that motor was running rough. I'd get it up on plane, and it'd stay up on plane, but you could hear the motor lose power, and then it'd pick power up. Well, I'm making a little video of that and tell you what I did. I haven't, like I said, run the boat in a while, so I thought maybe I'd run all the fuel out or get it down to a quarter of a tank, fill up with fresh gas, and take it out the next day, which is what I did. Now, every time I go out, especially knowing that we're going to be traveling and I won't be using it for a while, I put the fuel supplement in there to make sure that water doesn't build up and the fuel doesn't break down as fast. And I'm glad I did, because after running the old gas out, filling up with fresh gas, it sure did make a difference. My motor run real good. So this is a video of the first day, and you can hear the motor having plenty of power, and then the power drops down. And I'm not changing the throttle at all. The only time I change the throttle is to make my turns to go back down the river. All I did that day, instead of fishing, was go up and down the river until I got down to a little bit below a quarter of a tank of fuel. So here's the video. I hope it helps other boat owners. It's mainly just listening to the motor run.